Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy back in the building again with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare barbecue wings. Alright? So stay tuned. This was requested by one of my subscribers in Europe. So stay tuned. Alright? Let me show you how to prepare barbecue wings.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Alright, welcome back. So here we have our wings that was washed, clean, and dry. Over here we have our all-purpose flour. Alright, so first let's season up this wing. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of salt, not a lot. Just a sprinkle of salt. We're going to add some natural herbs. Alright, some black pepper. Good. And some paprika. Nicely. Alright, we're going to rub that in nicely now. Come on, man. You use your hand. You use up your hand. Rub in this nicely. Good. Nicely. So you're going to leave that to marinate for about 10 minutes. Alright? So moving over to our flour. So we're going to add some paprika to our flour because we're seasoning up our flour. Butter. Good. Some all-purpose. Maggi all-purpose. Good. A little bit of herbs. Good. And some black pepper. Good. And let's mix that around. Nice. So we're going to leave that and then we're going to add our oil now. Alright, so here we have our pot heated with about a cup of corn oil. Alright, I love to use corn oil because it gives it a nice flavor. Alright, so we're going to place our chicken inside of it now. Alright, so we're going to leave it to fry for about 10 to 12 minutes. 6 minutes aside or 5 minutes aside. Please don't overcrowd the pot too much because you need the chicken to get space to fry. Alright? So we're going to leave that to fry for about 10 to 12 minutes. 6 minutes aside. So we're going to make our first turn after 6 minutes. Alright? Wow, looking good, yeah? Good. That's our first turn. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and prepare our sauce. Alright, so let's start the sauce. So add some about an ounce of butter. Alright. We're going to add the barbecue sauce. So this is the barbecue sauce I'm using. I'm using the Bull Eye Everyday Original. Alright? You have another one, the sweet brown sugar. I use this when I'm doing my honey barbecue chicken. Alright? But now I'm using this one today. This one, the everyday one, the original. So pour some ice in here. About that amount. Put some oyster sauce in here too. Add some ketchup. until you turn the pot down on low heat. Alright? We're going low heat with this. Low heat. Low heat. Low heat and mix around. Low heat and mix around. Alright, look at your sauce. Wow. There you have your sauce. Ready for the chicken. The chicken wings. Alright? Good. Leave that to simmer down for a minute and then you can turn off the stove. Alright, so we're going to remove our chicken. As you can see, them well fried. After 10 minutes, 11 minutes, remove all of them. Alright, look at them. You can see them. The reason why I remove them and put them on a piece of paper to remove some of the grease from it, and then we're going to add it to the barbecue sauce. We could have removed it one time and put it to the pot, but we want to remove some of the grease. Alright, look at them, they're beautiful now. Good. So now we're going to place everything into the sauce. Alright. So we kind of stir them up nicely. Oh, look at how beautiful them is, yeah? Oh, nice, boy. Barbecue. Simple, nothing hard. Simple way to barbecue chicken, boy. Good. So we leave that for about a minute and then we can share. Alright, there you have it, guys. Our beautiful, lovely barbecue wings. Look at how beautiful it is. So tasty and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this cooking show. Hope you continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy Needham on YouTube. Also follow me on Instagram Fitzroy Needham and on Facebook Fitzroy Needham. Alright? Guess what? I'm out!
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What do you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.